Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got an exciting video for all you adventure seekers out there. We're going to dive into the world of budget travel and share some invaluable tips to help you explore the globe without breaking the bank. So, grab your notepads and let's get started. Planning ahead. First things first, planning is key. Start by setting a budget for your trip. This includes everything from flights and accommodation to daily expenses. Utilize budgeting apps and websites to track your expenses and find the best deals. Flexible travel dates. Next up, be flexible with your travel dates. Flying midweek or during off-peak seasons can save you a significant amount on flights and accommodation. Websites like Skyscanner and Google Flights can help you find the best deals. Accommodation hacks. Now, let's talk about accommodation. Consider options like hostels, Airbnb, or even house-swapping platforms like Couchsurfing. These options often provide a more immersive experience and cost a fraction of what you'd pay at a hotel. Local transportation. Getting around is crucial. And here's where local transportation comes into play. Opt for public transport or consider renting a bike or scooter in many cities. It's the cheapest and most efficient way to explore. Eating on a budget. Food can be a significant expense, but it doesn't have to be. Seek out local markets and street food stalls for authentic, budget-friendly meals. Also, consider cooking some of your own meals if your accommodation allows. Travel insurance and health tips. Don't skimp on travel insurance. It's a crucial expense that can save you a fortune in case of emergencies. Additionally, be mindful of your health. Carry a basic first aid kit and stay hydrated to ensure a safe and budget-friendly trip. Free and low-cost activities. Now, let's talk about activities. Look for free or low-cost attractions in the area. Museums often have discounted or even free entry days. Additionally, explore nature reserves, parks, and local markets for unique experiences without the hefty price tag. Souvenirs and shopping. Lastly, let's talk souvenirs and shopping. Instead of pricey tourist shops, opt for local markets or artisans for unique, budget-friendly keepsakes. Remember, it's not about how much you spend, but the memories you create. Local cuisine and street food. One of the best ways to experience a new culture is through its food. And opting for local cuisine and street food can save you a bundle of dining expenses. Street food is not only delicious but often much cheaper than eating in restaurants. Just be sure to choose clean and reputable vendors to avoid any health issues. Smart packing. Packing light not only makes your travels more convenient but can also save you money. Most airlines charge for checked baggage, and carrying less means you're less likely to buy unnecessary items during your trip. Research the weather and culture of your destination to pack efficiently and avoid overpacking. Engage with the sharing economy. The sharing economy has revolutionized travel, offering affordable alternatives to traditional services. Utilize ride-sharing apps like Uber or Lyft. To save on transportation costs, consider renting accommodations or vehicles through platforms like Airbnb or Turo, as they often provide more budget-friendly options compared to conventional services. Use budget airlines. Budget airlines can be an excellent way to save money on flights, but be sure to read the fine print carefully. Budget airlines often charge extra fees for things like checked baggage, seat selection, and food and drinks on board. If you're willing to forego some of the comforts of a traditional airline, budget airlines can be a great way to save money. Use travel rewards programs. In the airlines, hotels, and credit card companies offer travel rewards programs that can help you save money on flights, accommodations, and activities. Be sure to sign up for these programs and use them whenever possible to maximize your savings. Travel with a group. Traveling with a group can help you save money on accommodations, transportation, and activities. Splitting the cost of a rental car or Airbnb rental can be significantly cheaper than paying for everything on your own. Look for free activities and attractions. There are likely plenty of free activities and attractions to enjoy in your destination. Look for free walking tours, museums with free admission days, or local parks, beaches, and gardens to explore. Go on a hike, enjoy some free live music, peruse a local street fair, or play a game of cards while you people watch. Free activities are often the best way to immerse yourself in the local culture. With these tips and tricks for traveling on a budget in mind, it's time to start planning your next adventure. Remember, you don't have to break the bank to see the world. And create unforgettable memories. With a little bit of creativity and some careful planning, you can explore new places and have an amazing time without overspending. So, what are you waiting for? Start packing your bags and get ready for an adventure of a lifetime. And there you have it, our top budget travel tips. Remember, with a bit of planning and creativity, you can explore the world on a shoestring budget. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.